This video will be to fix the handle on a shed. One of the two handles on the doors broke off, and so because it broke off, you're not able to lock the shed. Let me show you. All right, so here we have the left which handle, and the right one should look the same as this one, but as you see, it does not. So there's no way to lock this shed at the moment. So what I'm going to do, I bought this gate hardware, and as you see, is you attach it on the right hand side here, and then this other piece that's in the middle of my hand goes on the other side of the door, and then you're able to lock it using this. And you can still open it since there is one handle here, so you'll still be able to open it once you unlock it. It's just the other side won't have a handle, and you can still push it, you know, when you stick your hand on the actual door itself and push it. All right, so let me get this attached and show you how it will work. What I am using to secure this to the shed are these metal self-tapping screws. I already had some that were in white, so thus I'm using white screws. You can get screws that match the latch set that you're already using, but like I said, I already had these on hand, so no sense in buying more when I can use what I already have. This set actually comes with wood screws, and you can try to use wood screws on metal, but it's best to actually use metal screws on metal for obvious reasons. All right, so now that I have this side already installed, and it just takes 3 screws, so then I'm gonna align it about where it needs to be for the other side to catch and install it in the same manner, which is using these metal screws to secure it to the shed door. And with that, it is installed. As you see, you just pull it. It has a little bit of play on it. The doors themselves can actually move too with this still on here, but you can't open it. Now, you're probably asking, why did I put this above the handle instead of below? And the reason being, if it's below, it's easier to break because somebody could just step on it, or, you know, the lower the thing is, the more weight you can put on it. Like, somebody could physically step on it if it's lower than maybe 2 to 3 feet from the ground. Whereas if it's above the handle, which right now is actually probably right at 3 feet, if not a little bit above 3 feet, it will be very difficult for somebody to get their foot up that high. Not saying impossible, but they're more difficult than getting it up to 2 feet or maybe 1 foot above the ground. So that's why it's high. You could put more than one of these on here just to be able to fix it, but one, in my opinion, should be sufficient. If you need be, you can use like a steel plate to reinforce from the backside of it, and use carriage bolts or something of that's longer and stronger and has a put a nut on the backside to hold it in. Questions or comments, drop those down below. Please give this video a like. Facebook users, please be sure to like the Facebook page, and YouTube watchers, please be sure to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, peace.